A civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties or areas: California, at 7:25 p.m. on December 25, 2025, effective until 5:45 p.m. December 26, 2025. The state of California has issued an emergency blue alert. The California Bureau of Investigation is asking for your assistance in locating Charles Nobert Finster, who is wanted for the rape of a male San Diego County police officer. Charles Nobert Finster may be traveling in a red Ford or Honda Civic with California license plate 6TRJ244 and missing front bumper. Charles Nobert Finster is believed to be a serious risk to the public. Charles Nobert Finster was last seen traveling northbound on Interstate 210 freeway near mile marker 68 on December 25, 2025. If you have any information regarding Charles Hubert Finster, please contact the California Bureau of Investigation at 800-992-4647 or star HP or call 911.